when you have a mindset of how will they see me when I'm selling lipstick, a full bachelor's holder, a full diploma holder, how are they going to see me selling, bananas, Okay, think about how are they going to see you begging? Like how are they going to see you, borrowing each and every day to live? No, change your mind. Hi guys, as I promised, this is the second part of our video. So if this is the content you love, keep watching and subscribe. Free, do online businesses again, like YouTube, Instagram. A lot of people are earning money on YouTube. Of course, YouTube has its own way of putting you into their partnership program. It may not take you a day or a night, but you never know what your luck is. Find something you're passionate about. Start teaching people what you do, what you learned in school. We have seen a lot of information on social media, how to do this, how to do that, how I do this, how I do that. So if you have all that information that you feel you can add value on some other person's life, please, you can open up a YouTube channel and you start earning some money. I'm telling you, it's not going to work in a night, but eventually it can really make some good money for you. Or you can also use the social media to market your products, like on Facebook. I have vegetables. Can you really buy them? And a friend is going to say, "Hey, who is this one advertising vegetables?" And then maybe you're in the same locality and they will support you. If you can deliver for them, they will still support you. So start out things that you can still do consistently and you make some money online. So many women are home, but they are busy making money. Some of them teach maybe what they learned in school, and we'll be watching them. Some of them are good at narrating life-changing stories, and we'll be watching them, and they earn money as we watch them. So make sure you use your brain. If number three is not working for you, I'm telling you, number four is going to work for you. Use your passion. That is number four. Now, sit down and think through, what am I passionate about? Some people are naturally do bakery very well, even when they have not trained. Or if they have trained, it's still very good. There are so many people who studied things and they have kept all their books and they don't even want to do them. If you're passionate about bakery, start baking, put the cakes on your social media. I'm doing cakes and we shall start coming to support you in our birthday parties, bridal showers, weddings, and you get some money. I'm telling you, and I'm going to bet you this. Most of the people that sell cakes are usually at home. Most of the people who supply cakes to our weddings, to our introductions, giveaways, and everything usually do those works from their homes. You find their homes are loaded with people, and if you have a skill, you can also trade that skill by teaching it to another person, and another person gets also learned and you get money out of them. So find something you're passionate about. If you know how to draw diagrams, pictures, you can also specialize in that. So many people who do, draw very nice pictures and people give them money. So if that is you, you can use your passion. Someone can come to you and you draw them very well and they pay you really good some money, yet you're seated at home raising your children. Use your brain. The next idea, if those ones will not work for you, I'm telling you, this one is going to do for you. Do a daycare program. Now, I'm thinking this is an idea, but it has worked for some friends of mine. You're a full-time housewife, you do homework, you have some children who go to school, and then you happen to have some few neighbors who have little babies and they have to go and work, and they have no one to care for their babies. They have no maid. And so all you can do is bring the baby. How much are you going to give me per day? I wash them, I care for them, and in the evening you find when they're fine. I'm telling you, if you are a good neighbor or a good friend, you are going to get some good money out of daycare. Now, you may not have a daycare center but you can try it with maybe 3 or 5 friends of yours. You do their kids really well, you keep them really well, you earn their trust, and trust me, they will give you some good money. That idea is on my mind, and I also want to put it into practice. I saw it work for my friends, and it can work for you. Maybe try it out. If you have enough place, you can do daycare. You keep the child, say your neighbor's child, and they give you the money they are supposed to give, daycare centers. Lastly, always have something you're selling. Now, we happened to attend a financial literacy training, and so this man was a financial coach, yeah, coach. And so he was saying that if you are going in particular places, always have something you're selling. Maybe you have called for a ladies' conference. Ladies are gathering. What do they love? Of course, they love makeup. They love earrings. They love, lipstick. They love handbags. They love necklaces. They love hankies. Carry them in your bag. Go and attend that training or the conference. At the end of the service, tell them, "Hi guys, I'm selling something. I have watches, I have nice earrings, I have nice sneakers, and all those ladies are going to come." Do you know how we like spending money? Anyhow, that's how we spend money. So if you are chatting, "Yeah, let me support my sister in Christ. She's selling nice earrings. Give me. If I don't have money, I'll bring for you on Sunday." For you, you're working. Always have something that you're selling in your handbag. If you have nice perfumes, there are people that are experts in selecting perfume. Like, they can bring for you a perfume and you pay without even knowing who made it, who manufactured it, where. So if you are that person, find nice perfumes, carry them in your handbag, and when you meet your friends, tell them, "Guys, I found this nice thing, and only 20,000. Someone going to say, "How much?" 20,000. And you'll be like, "Okay, give me, I'll send you on mobile money." Maybe you've got a profit of 10,000 out of that product. Let's think out of the box. These ideas are not all, but I believe one or two can work for you. Some of them worked for me, especially the farming thing, and the selling things. I always move with handbags full of lipsticks, and I sell to my friends, and I don't shy about that, because if I shy, who will buy for me that? If I shy, who is going to buy for me, a nice watch that I want? Who is going to buy for me a shoe? So think like that. Change your mindset. When you have a mindset of how will they see me when I'm selling lipstick, a full bachelor's holder, a full diploma holder, how are they going to see me selling, bananas, Okay, think about how are they going to see you begging? Like, how are they going to see you, borrowing each and every day to live? No, change your mind, do something. God bless you for watching. And if this is what you love, please, by this time you should have subscribed. Consider subscribing.